Dogecoin, Doge, fundamentally is a mineable coin that for the most part is right now exchanged at $0.067667 per unit, with the market capitalization of $9,587,111,779, that in every practical sense makes it a mid-positioned cryptographic money in a large enormous manner. Computerized resources like Dogecoin most certainly have currently truly turned into the point of convergence of consideration, not just for kind of retail financial backers and examiners. Yet in addition for fundamentally huge institutional financial backers who especially see Dogecoin and the remainder of digital currencies as a truly powerful fence against expansion that takes an especially weighty cost for the worldwide economy, truly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Hence, having essentially a piece of the portfolio gave to crypto truly is basically an unquestionable requirement for any broker and financial backer who generally needs to develop his abundance over the approaching 10 years, lovely in spite of mainstream thinking for the most part. In any case, with it in every way that really matters comes the need to intently follow the improvements on the expressed market to grasp what is happening and basically have some feeling representing things to come, which for the most part is genuinely huge. This Dogecoin cost expectation model was made to assist the peruser with exploring through the quickly developing crypto space, track down the in every practical sense best coins or tokens to put resources into, and all things considered, keep the value bend developing, by and large in opposition to prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to digging into the overall Dogecoin examination and cost expectation, we might want to help you to remember the in every practical sense fundamental standards of cryptographic money exchanging and venture a truly significant way. So, how about we center around the Dogecoin market, its in every practical sense, current standings, as well as the mid-term and long-haul cost forecast that sort of depends on the readings of our sort of restrictive crypto unpredictability file, CVIX, which essentially is genuinely critical. As of now, the cost of Dogecoin really remains at $0.067667, and this kind of specific computerized resource basically stands firm on the 10th foothold in the worldwide digital currency, sort of positioning in an in every practical sense, large way. For sort of your data, the genuinely positioning of each and every digital money sort of is vigorously dependent on its fundamentally current market capitalization and cost, and certainly is determined by duplicating these two factors, something that our framework continually does to supply you with the most modern data on the resource being referred to in a sort of significant manner. Likewise, to basically get a better handle of the market circumstance and in every way that really matters, grasp the overall heading of the pattern, or to especially enroll its non-attendance, it's likewise vital to generally dissect the verifiable cost information pertinent to the market under survey in a truly significant manner. Yesterday, on November 2nd, the cost of Dogecoin truly remained at $0.068832 at the end of the kind of everyday exchanging meeting, which is a 0.65% contrast when contrasted with the especially current cost. 7 days prior, on October 27th, the Dogecoin market sort of remained at $0.071862 as the consequence of the endeavors of all market members, or so they all things considered, thought. As the outcome, the cost really moved by 0% corresponding to its fundamentally present standing. A month prior, on October 3rd, Dogecoin basically was valued at $0.061386, which basically harmonized with our cost expectation for that very specific period. Contrasted with the genuinely present place of Dogecoin, it addresses a 10.22% cost move in an unpretentious manner. At the point when it generally comes to digital currencies, market capitalization fills for all expectations and needs more as a sign of the coin's offer or predominance, in contrast with the remainder of the market, alongside its truly by and large prominence with the worldwide crypto local area and financial backers in an unpretentious manner. Numerous digital money dealers view market capitalization as a genuinely key pointer to generally be considered prior to going with exchanging choices in an unpretentious way. It fundamentally is determined by duplicating the truly absolute number of coins that sort of are as of now available for use, circling supply, by the by and large current cost of Dogecoin, which, as currently referenced, by and by generally remains at $0.067667, or so they in every practical sense, thought. Considering that recipe, we have determined the very current market capitalization of Dogecoin to fundamentally be at $9,587,111,779. Which legitimizes its place as the 10th coin among those genuinely present on the digital money market. Yesterday, on November 2nd, the market capitalization of Dogecoin basically remained at $9,750,528,150, keep going week. On October 27th, the kind of aggregate sum of especially capital gave to Dogecoin generally was laid out at $10,173,846,438, the information from a month prior, enrolled on October 3rd. Especially shows that Dogecoin had a market capitalization of $8,670,628,972 in an exceptionally huge manner. All-out supply focuses to the quantity of coins that by and large have previously been mined, stamped, or generally made, and especially are either flowing available or secured in engineers or alternately holders in every practical sense, cold wallets in a significant way. The very complete stock likewise considers any coins that have been singed, put unavailable for general use, to keep a sound expansion rate in a huge manner. It can essentially measure up to the quantity of extraordinary portions of an organization that by and large is public on the financial exchange, which sort of is very huge. The genuinely all-out supply of Dogecoin as of now explicitly remains at 141,681,346,384 Doge in an every practical sense, large way. As currently made sense of, the flowing stock explicitly is the most generally involved pretty measurement for deciding a market capitalization of a digital money being referred to, which fundamentally is very critical. It compares with the sort of the best estimation of the exceptionally by and large number of coins that in a real sense are public on cryptographic money trades and explicitly add to their liquidity, so as the outcome, the cost for the most part moved by 0%, corresponding to its extremely present standing. A month prior, on October 3rd, Dogecoin in every practical sense was evaluated at $0.061386, which in a real sense harmonized with our cost expectation for that specific period, which all things considered, is genuinely critical. Their volume doesn't in every practical sense incorporate the coins that truly are vested, marked in really brilliant agreements, secured in advanced wallets, or explicitly put unavailable for general use, exceptionally in opposition to prevalent thinking. The circling supply is fundamentally what could be compared to the drifting stockpile of offers in the financial exchange, which really is very huge. At the present time, the coursing supply of Dogecoin explicitly is assessed at 141,681,346,384 Doge, beautiful as opposed to prevalent thinking. Furthermore, the perusing of exchanging volume can explicitly assist one with truly deciding sort of better passage and leave focuses on the grounds that as per the principles of specialized examination, critical cost moves, pattern inversions, or unions frequently by and large happen at the cost levels that in every practical sense are joined by generally kind of high volume, since those for the most part are the volumes where huge cash truly had come into basically play in an especially enormous manner. As per our information, the exchanging volume on the Dogecoin market really was as per the following. Over the in every practical sense, recent hours, the exchanging volume related with the Dogecoin market in every practical sense added up to